morning friends, my name is Mihir and today we are going to have lecture on. So in last topic we have studied what is active safety, what is passive safety. We have a revision on active safety, passive safety. Then I have taught you what is active safety and what is the types of belt we used. From that we are remaining to explain 4, 5, 6 point seat belts. Okay, what have we covered till now is lap belt, then we have covered sash belt, then after that we have covered 3-point belt. What are the uses, where is it used? So lap belt is used in aircrafts, that is passenger aircrafts. Then sash belts are used in cars. After lap belts, sash belts were invented, and the combination of both lap belt and sash belt, that is 3-point belt, was invented, and the 3-point belt was in market from 1959, which were invented by Volvo. Okay, now till this we have covered our syllabus from automobile engineering. Now we will move to the further topic, that is 4, 5, 6 point seat belt. So let's continue the new topic, that is our 4, 5, 6 point seat belts. So first of all we will see 5-point harnesses are typically found in child safety seat and in racing cars. The lap portion is connected to the belt between the legs, and there are 2 shoulders belts, making total of 5 points of attachment to the seat. See, now this is a baby sitting here. Okay, these are his legs. So in 5 points belt, what happens? Here we go. What is 3-point belt? This. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is 3-point belt. But in what we can say in 5-point belt, what happened? There are 2 sash belt. That is, one is from here, second is from here. Okay, then 2 lap belts. And here it is connected, so it is like this. This is the 5-point belt. Okay, all you can see is in red. I will repeat it. This, everything in red is your belts, and these are the joints. Here the joints are. So now you can see in the figure. I'll mark it. See this thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5-point belts. This in figure you can see 5-point belt. Similarly, there are 4-point and 6-point belt. So a 4-point harness is similar but without a strap between the legs. So this is the strap between the leg. This is the strap between the leg. Without this belt is known as 4-point belt. And there is also 6-point belt. The 6-point harnesses has 2 belts between the legs. So what is the basic difference between 5-point, 4-point, 6-point difference is? So in 5-point there is a single belt between the legs. In 4-point there is a no belt between the legs, and in 6-point there are 2 belts between the legs. So now what are the applications, where are these used? So actually this topic is not given in your textbook, but many times the question is asked about the seat belts on 5 or 6 and 4 seat belts, 4, 5, 6 point seat belts. So I am covering this topic on extra. And other things, that there is also a 7-point seat belt, which we are going to discuss, that what is the 7-point seat belt. So first we will cover this topic. Okay, so here we go. That first 5-point harness are typically found in child safety. So where is the 5-point harness found? So 5-point harness found in child safety seat and in the racing cars. So for instance, this is a racing car. Which one I don't know, I'm not getting it from the figure right now, but this is a racing car where it uses 5-point seat belt. And the other thing, which is the child safety seat. See, many times we see in India that that baby is sitting on a lady's lap, and there is no separate seat for the baby. So but it is not allowed in USA, Canada or Germany. In these countries they must have the separate seats for child. So why is it? It is for the safety of child. So how is it designed? It is just an curve of cushioning, is separated from the seats. Okay, then it includes this 5-point seat belts. Okay, these 5-point seat belts are included on it. And then afterwards, after keeping this, after what we can say, keeping baby in this and applying the belts, this seat is kept at the back of your car, and again the car seat belts are attached to it. Okay, so it is all the protection for the baby. So why? So where we know where is the 5-point seat belts used. So 5-point seat belts are used to child safety. Okay, it is used for child safety, and it is used in racing cars. Many of the times you must have seen the F1 racing. Okay, in F1 racing 5-point seat belts are used. Okay, the lap portion is connected to the belt between the legs, and there are 2 shoulder belts, making a total 5-point belt. So how it becomes a total 5-point belt? There are 2 shoulder belts. See, there are 2 shoulder belts. These are 2 shoulder belts, and there is a point coming out of your legs. So these are your 2 legs. Okay, in between this, okay, I'll just show you 1 minute. So these are your 2 legs, and this red thing is your belt. So a single belt is coming through this. So because of this, 1 2 3 4 5, as I have shown you with yellow marking, 1 2 3 4 5, these are the 5 connections of your belt. So it is known as 5-point belt. Okay, now this is the structure of 5-point belt. Now this is, it is given in this paragraph. The portion is connected to the belt between the legs, and there are 2 shoulder belts having total 5 points. Okay, now we will move to the 4 point. Okay, a 4-point harness is similar but without the strap between legs. So what is 4-point belt? It is a similar to this, but it is without strap in between its legs. So this strap between the 2 legs is not provided in 4-point harness belt. Okay, and where the 4-point harness belt is used? So many of the time 4-point belts are used in cars also, but you can see while you are doing roller coaster rides, etc., the belt which are provided are 4-point seat belt. Okay, so what are the uses of a 4-point seat belt? So first is it is used in car also, and the second is it is used in roller coasters, that is roller coasters rides, etc. Okay, then now we will come to the next topic, that is our 6-point harness belt. Similarly, 6-point harness belt have the here in 5.1 strap is provided between 2 legs, but in 6.2 straps are provided between 2 legs. Okay, that's why it is used in fast cars, that is racing cars, and it is used in many other applications in fighter jets, etc. So these are the applications and uses of 4, 5, 6-point seat belts. This is actually extra knowledge. This can be asked in exam for we can say 3 marks or something. So you need to pay attention to this also. So what we have studied, 4, 5, 6-point belts. 5 points have as I have shown you in this diagram. 4 points, there is no belt between 2 legs. 6 point, there are 2 belts between 2 legs. Okay, this is what it is covered in 4, 5, 6.6 belts and their applications.